Hello crafties, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are making BTS theme diary or notebook. So here I have taken my old notebook pages and I have cut them in sizes as mentioned in the video, and now I am attaching all the paper together. And for the cover I have taken a thick black chart paper. You can also use thick cardstock, and I have cut it according to the sizes. And now I'm going to attach the pages to the cover and just let it dry for some time. And now paste the first and the last page to the cover so that it sticks properly. And the base is done. Now I'm making some doodles at the front cover of this black BTS diary. So I'm making some stars. I'm using a white jelly roll pen, and I'm writing BTS in a little bit of 3D style. You can first write it with pencil and then use a pen. You can also use silver glitter pen if you don't have a white pen. Just some doodles here and there. And little bit of coat here, and some stars here and there. So our first diary or notebook is done. Pretty, isn't it? And so easy to make. So let's move on to the next one. For the next one I have taken a white thick paper, and I'm using a polythene and brush pens. You can also use sketch pens or watercolors. And I'm just coloring on the polythene, and then I'll apply water on the paper using a brush. Apply a good amount of water, and now place the colored part onto the paper. And if you want like a really deep color than this, you can repeat this process again when the paper dries up. And for the logo I have taken this glitter sheet, silver glitter sheet, and it is dried up. So I am attaching the papers to the cover, same way as I had did for the first one. And now pasting the logo onto the cover. I'm pasting this one planet Saturn sticker, also galaxy planet stickers that I have made in my previous videos. You can check that on my channel. And just paste the first and the last to the cover. And it's done. A little bit of doodle with white and purple sketch pen, and our beautiful diary is done. Both are so pretty and I loved it. And please let me know if you have watched the first video of BTS diary or not, and this little one too. It's very cute. You can use it as keychain also. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any new video. Take care. Bye bye.